Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another custom keycap video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. It's kind of a hobby I got into working in tech. Kind of work with keyboards, and ironically, I'm a horrible typist. I got more into mechanical keyboards, I guess, for the purpose of gaming. And I have a pretty large collection. Two of my kind of most highly prized keyboards are both some Drops. So Drops a website manufacturer. I think they're also partnered with like Sennheiser and Corsair. I think Corsair might have bought them recently. But I have a Drop. I believe this is the Alt keyboard. This is I believe it's a 75% keyboard. Or 65, I think it's 65%. There's no number pad, and arrows are kind of combined with the rest of the main body of the keyboard. And actually, so like I said, keycap video. So what I have here is a new keycap I purchased from Etsey. So this one comes from a brand called BreakWooden, and yeah, I found them on Etsy. This is a custom resin 2U, I believe a 2.25U, 2.25 U. So this is meant to replace the shift key. So this key right here. Yeah, so this is my keyboard. So it's kind of like a Pokemon theme. So we have, and my cat's on my computer desk, and she knows that I'm busy, so I'm not going to bother scolding her right now on camera. I don't want that evidence way on there. Okay. So yeah, so I got this. Started with this space bar. So it's a space bar resin resin space bar with the starter Pokemon from the first gen. So you got Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Charmander, and Pikachu. Then I combined it with this keycap I got from Drops. It was a custom Game Boy Pocket, or maybe it's a standard Game Boy. Look, it's hard to say for sure. And then I matched it with these. I got a Charizard, Gengar, Darkrai, Suicune. And yeah, so I got a new one to add. It's going to be the left shift here. And so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So hooked it up with this sweet little, it's a Bulbasaur sticker. Pretty sweet, nice, good touch. One thing I thought was funny about this is that I don't know what the fuck are these things? They're little like finger condoms, and yeah, that's what they are. I guess in case you want to mess it up. I'm gonna plan to use the keys, so I'm not really worried about putting fingerprints on it because I plan to use it. So yeah, so let's take a look. So we got Venusaur and Blastoise. Now, one little issue I had with it, which isn't a little issue, is that there's not much height above Blastoise. Like, he's pretty close to the top of the keycap, which kind of looks funny, but you think about it too, he's standing upright, so kind of makes sense. But it would have been nicer if they maybe made the waves a little lower to get a little headroom, but still not bad. Paint job, I would say the paint job on Blastoise is like a B+, and I'd say the paint on Venusaur is like an A-. Probably A. Honestly, like the detail on the Blastoise, and there's Tatsumaki. Everyone, she couldn't just help herself. But yeah, the Blastoise, has a lot better detail. Like the Blastoise is really good. It kind of has like a googly eyes almost. The lines on his stomach aren't very straight, but they're really small nitpick details. Like their shell looks actually great. The flower looks great there. Let's take a look from the side. So can we see? Yeah, you can see Venusaur there, so it looks good. Butt shots. You see, yeah, the Blastoise shell looks really good. Venusaur is honestly A+. Like, I'm really impressed with Venusaur. Blastoise, yeah, I'll still stick with a B+, A-. Like I said, I wish there was a little more height above the top there. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this guy. Okay, so we're gonna replace the. Oops, that could have been done better. Yeah, so there we go. So, what do you guys think? We got the I said 60%. It's a high profile, so I guess mainly this part's the higher profile part. Really heavy. So all the bottom's all metal right here, and then you have the PC Resistance, which honestly I was super impressed with. The amount of detail on the space bar is just insane. Like, you can watch the first video where I show the space bar. I kind of promote the Artisan on that video, but yeah, that's really what impressed me. These are by far the best ones. If you compare it to the Charizard, let's see if we get Charizard. Charizard's okay. Let's see, let's get a close up. I'm not sure if this is a flame or his tongue. Kind of looks like a derpy Charizard. I guess it's probably supposed to be a flame, but it looks like his tongue. Gengar's pretty good actually. A little sloppy on the paint, but it's pretty good. Darkrai looks good. I like Darkrai. Kind of basic, but yeah. Suicune, honestly, Suicune would have been cool if they would have just done like water on the bottom. Like I said, they do this like pink pond kind of thing. Like, yeah. Top views. Yeah, Suicune. And so what I found is, yeah, the ones that have more detail are the ones that I guess are much harder to do. So I think that's why Suicune and Darkrai and maybe even Charizard didn't look as good. Charizard's not bad. Okay, and then we have the new ones. So yeah, so I figured, you know, I had the evolutions for Charizard already, so I figured I might as well get Blastoise Venusaur, and yeah, might as well put them on the same one. I'm not sure I'll get a Raichu, maybe. It'd be kind of cool to fill up like all of these, you know, that are kind of darker gray with resin keys, and then maybe do like something colorful for the middle keys. But yeah, this is one of my favorite keyboards. Oh, let's go ahead and plug it in so you can see how it looks like the lights. That's what I have this cable here for. I forgot. How the Game Boy screen lights up. Yeah. Guess that makes it Game Boy Color. Yeah, I mean, it's just that one's key to green or something. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching the video. Please drop a comment, hit the like button, and yeah, appreciate it guys. Later.